Imagine you started investing back in 1985. Nothing complicated, just $250 every month, no matter what happened in the markets. In the first couple of years, everything looks perfect. Your portfolio grows. Your friends call you the genius who figured out the stock market. And then reality hits. October 19, 1987, Black Monday. The biggest single-day crash in history. People panic, markets free fall. Everyone tells you to sell before you lose everything. But you don't. You keep investing your $250 every month. Time passes. The market recovers. Then comes the next disaster, 2000, the dot-com collapse. The Nasdaq falls apart, tech stocks crash 70 to 80%, and billions evaporate. Again, people tell you you're crazy for staying invested. You ignore it and keep putting in $250 per month. Years later, recovery, new highs. And then, another hit, 2008, the Great Recession. Banks fail. Housing collapses. Global GDP falls 3%. Some people genuinely believe capitalism is over. But once again, the market rebounds. Slowly, then violently upward. New records. You continue your quiet routine. $250 per month. Every month, no breaks. Then comes the fastest crash in history. 2020, COVID. Markets fall 30% in weeks. The world shuts down. But then, the sharpest rebound ever recorded. More new highs. And here's the insane part. If someone had invested $250 per month from 1985 to today, their total contributions would be around $117,000. But their portfolio, around $1.8 million. A gain of more than 6,000%. Not because they timed crashes, not because they picked magic stocks, simply because they stayed invested through Black Monday, through the dot-com crash, through the Great Recession, through COVID, through everything. That's the lesson nobody wants to hear. Wealth doesn't come from avoiding crashes. It comes from surviving them. It's not about predicting the bottom. It's not about being smarter than the market. It's about consistency, time, and discipline. You don't need perfect timing. You just need to still be investing when the next crisis hits. Because the people who stay, they're the ones who end up rich.